110 minutes with us. Very good afternoon, Harika. Welcome back. We have 110 minutes with us. So 110 minutes, 25 questions is a lot easier to do. 110 minutes, 50 questions. That's some target to be in to have it in the mind. So this is our target for the next 110 minutes of time. You all with me in this? Drop drop the message in the chat box. You all with me in this? Just drop a thumbs up if yes. Yes, very good afternoon. 4P8. Welcome back. Drop a thumbs up. Drop an emoji in the chat box. I'd get to know. Max 50. So if we complete 50 questions before 110 minutes, the whatever the time is left, we are not going to do any problems. We're going to do something else. We'll have a fun session in the end if we do 50 questions before 110 minutes, if you're okay with that. Yes. All right, then the last 30 seconds before we start it with this question on screen. Do not do it right now. Let us first start it according to the time. Okay. Not yet, Nitin. No. So what's the time? What's the time? What's the time? Yep, it's time right now. Let's start. The timer is on. We have 1 hour 10 minutes. Sorry, 1 hour 50 minutes, 110 minutes. Chalo. First question is on the screen. I'm not going to wait for any more people now. We're going to solve it straight away. Thanks for the answer. Already 770. Vamshi and 770 have different answers. File 9 has different answer. Okay, you have 4 different answers for this. A, B, C, D. All the first 4 people gave 4 different answers. 5A3, 477. Sakshi Sinha, 6A2. Very good, very good. Let's see this one. Sakshi can do a piece of work in 20 days. Sakshi can do a piece of work in 20 days. Tanya is 25% more efficient than Sakshi. 25% more efficient than Sakshi. The number of days taken by Tanya to do the same piece of work. How are you solving this one? How are you solving this one? Okay, let me take you back to the question or the concept of efficiency. Now, I'm not going to drag on that. Efficiency is inversely proportional to time. That means if efficiency increases, time taken should reduce. So ఇక్కడ ఏమవుతుంది? Efficiency is, she clearly says efficiency is more. Tanya is 25% more efficient. So according to whatever the efficiency this is, Sakshi, this girl, Tanya is 25% more efficient than Sakshi. Okay. So efficiency of Tanya is 25% more than Sakshi. That means Tanya takes less number of days. How much less? If it is 25% more efficiency, how much less is the time? For this one, remember the concept of 25% and 20%? Remember this concept? Increment of 25% is equals to decrement of 20%. Do you remember this? We spoke about this. 100 is increased by 25%. The number is 125. 125 decreased by 20%. The number is 100 again. So to go back to the previous one, you always have to reduce the increased 25% by 20. Remember this concept? Not concept, logic, concept, whatever you want to call it, magic, whatever. Yes. So the same concept, increment of efficiency by 25% means decrement of time by 20%. Decrement of time by 20%. 20 minus 20% of 20, that is 20 minus 4, 16 days. 16 is the answer directly. Don't have to calculate anything. Are we clear with this? Are we clear with this? Yes. No. So you see how all the concepts come together now. You knowing this concept and you having the knowledge of this logic will make this answer. I mean, will make this solution within a minute. Will get you the answer within 1 minute. That is a concept. Like that is our goal. That is our aim to answer the questions, combining all the knowledge that we have. Okay, then anyone has any questions in this? Very good. Thanks for the response. 477 Supraja Balraju. Others, did you all understand this one? Did we all understand this one? Yes, no. Is that all fine? Okay, no, you say now you say, sir, how else can we do it? How else can we do it? Okay, if you want to do it in any other way, let's say Sakshi does the work in 20 days. You don't know her efficiency. Let's say Sakshi can do only 1 unit per 1 day. So Tanya has 25% more efficiency. That means how much does Tanya's efficiency look like? It looks like 1.25 units per day. Okay, if she does 1 unit per day and she does 1.25 units per day. Let's say, I mean, we know that it is done in 20 days, right? Let's say she works 20 days, 1 unit per day. So total units of work is 20. Now, efficiency of Tanya is 1.25. Work is 20 units. How much is the time taken? 20 by 1.25. Okay. Calculate this, you will get 16. This is also okay. This is also valid. 590, you've just joined right now. So this question, clear? Very good. I mean, the screen should tell you the solution most probably. Maybe I'll write down the numbers. It will be very clear. This was the first thing we discussed. This was the second. This was the third. This is a concept. This was the logic. Fourth. So this was a solution. Five. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That is how it goes on. Okay. Nitin. Okay. Which one? The conceptual wise or the solution wise? This one or this one? Conceptual understanding. Fine. Tanya is said to have 25% more efficiency than this first lady, Sakshi. Okay. So we know from the concept that efficiency is always inversely proportional to time. That means if efficiency of a person increases, the time taken to work will reduce. So in this case, Tanya has 25% more efficiency than Sakshi here. So what does that mean? Whenever the efficiency increases, the time should reduce. So Tanya must take less number of days than Sakshi. How much less is the question? Efficiency increased by 25%. Time should reduce by what? This is the question. Now remember this logic that we spoke of regarding the percentages, increment and decrement. When a number is increased by 25%, to get it back to the previous number or to get it back to the initial stage, we have to reduce the number by 20%. And that is the logic I explained here. 100 increased by 25% is 125. And 125 reduced by 20% is 100. So what do you want? You want to get back to 100. Now, why am I saying we have to get back to 100? It's like we have to do the same amount of work. Now, let's say this is the amount of work. This is the same amount of work to be done. So I'm talking about the same amount of work here. So to do the same amount of work in the time, what should I do? I should reduce the total. I mean, with the efficiencies increment there, the efficiency increase by 25%. I have to reduce the total time by 20%. So reduce the total time by 20%, which brings me down to 20 minus 20% of 20. That is 20 minus 4, 16. Should I change my words and explain it once again? Should I do it once again? Did I confuse you anywhere? I think. Nitin? Uh, right. Just wait. Okay, this or wait. Let me take an ink. Okay. Sakshi is set to do a work in 20 days. All right. You don't know the efficiency. This is just the time given. Now, Tanya has Tanya's time we don't know. So just a question mark here. Efficiency, like we can assume anything the efficiency. Now, efficiency here is efficiency of Sakshi plus 25% of whatever the efficiency. So she is 25% more efficient. According to the concept of efficiency and time, we know that efficiency is inversely proportional to time. That means if the efficiency of a person is more, time taken is less. All right. In this case, it said that efficiency is increased by 25%. It is more by 25%. So how much should the time be reduced so that the work is completed? This is the question. ఇక్కడ వరకు clear everyone? M4, Tabassum, M2, Nitin is clear. ఇక్కడ వరకు clear? Yeah. So this is the question. If you increase efficiency by 25%, how much should the time get reduced is the question. Now, going back to the logic of when you increase a number, when you increase something by 25%, to get back to the original position again, to complete the original position, you have to reduce it by 20%. To prove this statement, I used the number 100. When 100 is increased by 25%, it goes to 125. When you want to make 125 again as 100, you have to reduce by 20%. Why? 20% of 125 is 25. So if you subtract it, it becomes 100 again. This is the 100 here. So what happened? Efficiency increased by 25%. Now, because efficiency is inversely proportional to time, you have to reduce the time. By how much will you reduce? 20% you will reduce. Okay, so 125 reduced by 20 is again 100. So again 100. That means the whole work is getting completed here. This is the total work amount of work, let's say. Okay, so in this case, how much should the time be reduced? Time should be reduced by 20%. What is the time taken by Sakshi here? 20 days. So 20% reduction is 20 minus 20% reduction is 16. Okay. M2 clear? Now, to make it not in this way, but to solve it, to have it in a different solution, others can just look at the screen. It's like, let's say you can take anything. You can just take 4 here, 5, whatever number. I'll take 4. If 4 is the efficiency and 20 days she is working, how much is the total work done? Efficiency into time, right? So total work done is 4 into 20. That is 80. 80 units of work is done by Sakshi in 20 days of time. Now we know that here work is constant again. Now work is 80 units here because here the work is 80 units. Now efficiency of Tanya is 25% more than Sakshi's efficiency. So 4 plus 25% of 4. That is equals to 4 plus 1, 5 units per day. This is the efficiency of Tanya, 5 units per day. So total work done. So what is the total time taken? Work done by efficiency. Total work done is 80, efficiency is 5. Total time taken is 80 by 5, which is 16 days. So people who want to have a solution, this is how you can have a step-by-step solution. Both the steps clear? I mean, both the ways clear? Both the methods, I should say. 1 and 2. Hope everything is clear with these two. Very good. Then I'm going to the next question first. So target is 25 questions. I'm just reminding people, whoever has just joined. 6 E0. Did we talk about the 16, 20, 25 rule on the day 1 on Monday? 20, 25, 16 and 16. Yes, if you have spoken, like, you have the answer straight away. All right, let me just tell you whoever has missed it on the day 1. So if you have 20 and 25 in the question, 16 is the answer. That's it. That is the only triangle. Like, you can have a triangle here. It's like if you have 20 and 16 in the question, 25 is the answer. If you have 25 and 16 in the question, 20 is the answer. Like, it is not written anywhere, it is not proved. But as far as I have seen, a lot of questions I have solved, all the questions followed this pattern. So I'm not misleading you. Please do not follow. Forget whatever I said. Okay, the next question on screen. But that works actually. It helped me a lot in the CAT exam. All right, next one. A means subtraction, B means division, C means addition, and D means multiplication. Then what is this? So 294 divided by 6 minus 30 plus 31 into 4. Yeah, equals to what is the question. So how do you write it according to the BODMAS rule? 294 6 minus 30 plus 31 into 4. So this is how you write it, right? Do it. Very good, very good. Answers already flowing down. Welcome to the chat box. Sanata Basum 706, 75, 60. Everyone has an answer. Really good. And good thing is, like, everyone has the same answer. Harika, very good. Harika 756, 590, 462, 680, 63. Very, very good. That's how we do it. 5D3. Would you mind checking your answer once? 5D3. Check that, please. So 49 minus 30 plus 1, okay, 123. So 123 plus 19 plus 19 or 20 is 49 only. 49. Yeah, 49 minus 30 plus 31 into 4. 123 plus 19. Eh? Is it 123 or 122? 123 only, no? Did we do anything wrong? How did you get 143 people? Okay, this is 124. Oh, sorry. Okay, you're saying 124. Fine. Sorry. 143. Yep. Done. Next one. Target is 25 questions. We have already done with 2. This is the third one. 3 is 12. 5 is what? 770. Do we apply the BODMAS from? Do we apply the BODMAS or left to right? We apply the BODMAS. Next one. 3. This is the third one out of 25 we have. 3 is 12. 5 is what? This is 3 and 4. 5 into how much? 3 into 3 plus 1. 5 into 5 plus 1. No, 590. 3 into 3 plus 1 this is. Think about it in multiple ways. Yes, this can be 3 into 4. This can also be 5 into 4. But given the options, you need to verify. So this will become 5 plus, see, 5 into 5 plus 1. 5 into 6, 30. Very good. Right. Next question. Fourth one out of 25. Yes. Very good. 5A3, 5A3. Very good. And 4M2, money, 4P8, 462, 761, 589, Sakshi, Supraja, 706, 770, Vamshi, 5D3, 590, Durga Prasad. Durga Prasad might have changed it already. Yes, 5D3 again, 706. All right. Very good. Already we have the answer for the another next question also. Very good. Supraja 60, 5D3, 75, money 436, 7G4. Very good, guys. You're doing really great. Let's see how does that go. Okay, what do I see here? I see 1, 2, 3. I see 4, 5, 6. I see 7, 8, 9. I see 10, 11, 12. That is 13, 14, and 15. So it is M, N, and O in the first M. So this is gone. This is M, N, O. Okay, this is there. M, N, O, no. Okay. Option B is the right answer. Very good, very good. No, I did not check for all the alphabets because I thought only one set of the alphabets would help. So this set of alphabets helped me. I'm not checking the other set because the options don't have them. Very good, students. Very good. Understood this one? I hope there are no questions here. Very good, very good, very good. Next one, 5 out of 25. Fifth one out of 25th question. Next one is on the screens. In a certain code language, brain is coded as something and wait. Yeah, brain is coded as ZYXWV. 63 alphabets and numbers. Mm, Okay, we shall do it. Shall we do it now? It will take 5 minutes for us to do it. How many? Okay, let us check the number of votes we get. Votes for alphabets and numbers. Coding, decoding. Coding, decoding. Yes, no, yes, no. Okay, answer is option A. Very good. Okay. 7. Okay, 770, 680, 680, 468. Nitin, you gave a different answer. Huh? Okay, let me check. Let us check. 706 again, 528. Sriram 5D3. Sriram, welcome to the chat box. 706 438 756. Sairam, sorry. Sairam, welcome to the chat box. Sai Kumar, I already had him. Sairam answering. Oh, Sairam. Sairam is answering all the time. I see you, Sairam. I see you. Welcome to the chat box. 444, where were you? I called you out in the beginning of the session to answer the previous question you had. But yeah, we can do it at the end of the session. Um, okay, anyone wants me to do the coding and decoding concept like the alphabets and numbers, or is it fine? I had one person asking for that. If it is only one or two people, I can take it at the end. Others, if it is like more than, as I said, we live in 51%. So if it is 51%, I'll do it now. I have two people, Ritvik and one more. Fine. Ritvik and the other person, sorry, let me just go back and remind myself of the name. 63 and Ritvik, yeah, let us just take it at time. Like, yeah, I can do it at the end. Thank you, 63 for that. Okay, we'll do it at the end. For this one now, I'll just check if everything went well with this question. Z, Y, X, W, V, and create. And yeah, if my handwriting is not so understandable on the screen, also please do let me know. I'll try to slow my writing speed. How can certain be written in the same language? Certain. Okay, so what do we have? Do we have any logic first thing? This 2, 18, 1, 9, 14. This 26, 25, 24, 23, 22. This is 21, 26, 20, 19. Okay, 24 and 19. 24, 19, and 20. This is 3, 18, 5, 1, 25. Okay, what is happening? What is happening here? So it's just like, are we mapping the alphabets? And there is no logic in between, I guess, because I don't see any logic here because it's a descending number of the alphabets, and here it is something else. So A is written as X here, A is written as X here. Yes. E. Okay, what else do I have in common? Create R. R is written as Y. Here R is written as Z. No, that is not a question. No, then R is written as Y and R is written as Z. No, 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 no. I remember. Wait. This question actually has a mistake in it. This question actually has a mistake in it. Somewhere this was okay. I guess this is Y. I saw this question. I saw this question. This was Y. Okay, don't get confused there. This was Y. This is a mistake in this question. I think I remember this one from was this a last year question? This is a last year question, I guess. Yeah, I remember this one the last year maybe. This was a Y. Yeah. This is Y. Fine. R is Y. So it's just a mapping. So R is Y you got. A is as X. So third and fifth alphabet. Third and fifth alphabet. This is not working. This is not working. This is not working. Okay, third and fifth alphabet, Y and X is fine. Option A. Right. No, don't need to check everything. Check any two alphabets because here nothing is repeating in the options I see. You can straight away eliminate the other options because they don't have this one. 5K5, what happened here is actually there is no code here. Only thing that they have done is they have mapped the alphabets with the corresponding other alphabets in the given code language here and here. So what we did, we picked up C from create, we searched for C here, it was 21. Then E, we searched for E in this one, this was 20. Okay, so on and so forth. For R, it was Y here and Y here. So we just tallied it. It was Y 25. And then for T, the same thing. For T, it was S here. So we went with S. For A it was on both in both the words, it was X there, which is 24. And I was written as 23, that is W. And N was written in brain as 22. So we just followed this one. So with that, we said U, T, Y, S, X, W, V. Okay. So there was no huge code over something code there, 5K5. It was just mapping of the alphabets. Okay. Next one. See, we have the time and work question there. Just wait. Yep. 6 out of 25. If 45 men take 8 hours per day to dig 30 meters, how many men will it take to dig 50 meters deep every day in 6 hours? Even this question, I guess you can note it down as how many more men. This is how many more men, okay? The question is how many more men? These kind of questions always come with the word more. We'll see if not more, what will happen, but if, with more, we solve it first. So it said 45 men take 8 hours per day to dig 30 meters. Now it says how many more men will it take to dig 50 meters, 50 meters, 50 meters, working 6 hours a day. So how many more means 45 plus some number here. So in this case, you see the work done is digging. Here the work done is digging. So the works here both are similar. Work done is same there. But it's just that we have difference in the quantity of the work done. Difference in the quantity of the work done. So if I take W1 and W2, the difference is the quantity of the work done. But the similarity in the work is the same action there. Okay, so in this case, you have a should I call this a formula? Maybe yes, I'll call this a formula. You have a logic there which said m1 d1 h1 equals to m2 d2 h2 there by w2. All right. In case of works being same, we would just eliminate the works there and we would write m1 d1 d2 h1 equals to m2 d2 h2. Okay, so in this case it was 45 into 8. Number of hours is 8, so days we don't have. We'll just say that much. Okay, by work done is 30 meters. And in the case of M2, it is 45 plus some number of men, 45 plus some number of men into 6 hours per day by 50 meters there. Okay, into 6 hours per day by 50 meters. So this is the total equation you have. Now, can I check this anyhow? Yes, this is 15 And do I have it has 5 by 2 I have, and this is 2 into 4 I have. So on the whole we have 45 plus something is equals to 20 into 5, which is 100. So the number of here is equals to 55. So the extra men that are needed are 55 people. Okay, so this is one thing. Did we understand this one? Okay, you might be having a question. How did we even reach at this formula? Like if we sit and explain the formula, it will take more time. But let me just give you a very quick glance of what is that actually. 45 men take 8 hours per day to dig 30 meters. Here, what do we do? What did we do? All right, guys, let me just give you a very small snippet. Directly, we can check the options, sir. By more than 45, it's only one option there. Yeah, that we can obviously do. That is true. That is true. 45 can ekundali, and that is simply that part. No, it is not zero. It is like it's just like a blank I put because I don't like writing X and Y on screen. I don't like using those there. So that's why I put a box. That's it. Variable. Yeah, very good, Heyman. Thanks for backing me up. Okay, so a small snippet here, everyone. Just have a look on the screen. ఆ ఫార్ములా ఎందుకు వచ్చింది అనేది జస్ట్ బికాస్ అంటే మీకు గుర్తుండడానికి చెప్తున్నాను అంతే. సో ఫ్రమ్ ద రిలేషన్ వర్క్ ఇస్ ఆల్వేస్ గో బ్యాక్ టు ద రూట్స్ ఆఫ్ ఇట్. వర్క్ ఇస్ ఈక్వల్స్ టు ఎఫిషియన్సీ ఇంటూ టైం. ఎఫిషియన్సీ ఈక్వల్స్ టు వర్క్ బై టైం. Or if the work is constant, if I take work to be 1, then efficiency would be equals to 1 by time. Okay, 1 by time. In this case, what is happening is, where do we have it? Yeah, in this case, it said that 45 men take 8 hours to complete some work and complete 30 meters of work. Doing 8 hours per day. And next thing it asked us how many more men will it take to dig 50 meters. So in both the cases, the efficiency of men is still staying the same. Do you agree with that? Efficiency of men is still staying the same. So both the cases efficiency has not changed. What has changed? The number of people have changed. That means here first thing it was 45 men into whatever each man's efficiency, and then the next case it was 45 plus some more men, and the efficiency still remained the same. So what are we trying to do? We are equating the efficiencies on both the ends. We are equating the efficiencies on both the ends. Yes, here the case is like you might be thinking like why did we even write m1 by w1? It should actually have been w1 by m1, right? So if you just see there, uh, why did we even write it that way? I mean, sorry, not w1, d1 by h1, when d1 by w1. Why did we write time by work? Why not work by time? Why not work by time? It's like man into efficiency, like m1 into efficiency 1 equals to m2 into efficiency 2. Okay, so this efficiency, we have converted that into the work done per time. So this becomes efficiency here. Yeah, inversely proportional. Yeah, that can come up. Sorry, I wait. Inversely proportionality, inverse proportionality. Yes, that can come up. Thanks for bringing in that term. Okay. Can I write it in terms of anything else? I'm thinking. So I mean, even in that case, it's like men into efficiency. It's like 1 by efficiency you have taken. So the efficiency would become time by work done. And here again, m2 into time by work done. So if it is time by work done, time here is days into hours. And here also time is days into hours. So m1 d1 h1 by w1 equals to m2 d2 h2 by w2. That is how the formula is derived. Let me also think on this. Like, yes, this is because of the inverse proportionality, but there would be a solid reason for that too. But yeah, I'll let you know that. For now, this is how the formula has been derived, and this is the problem and its solution. Are we clear with the solution, everyone? Yes, no, thumbs up, thumbs down. Are we clear with the solution? Yes? All right, great. Come on. So we are learning how the formulas are also derived. There is one question from verbal ability. I don't know why did this come up here. Yes, you can answer. I'll count this one also. This will be into our efficiency. This will come to our efficiency. Our efficiency so far is 7 questions in 8 minutes. 8 minutes? No, we did it in 28 minutes. Sorry. 28 minutes, 7 questions. This is our efficiency. Efficiency equals to work done per time taken. Sorry, work done per time taken. 15423. 15423. 1 birth, study, marry, death, and funeral. Oh, this is such a depressing question, man. I'm skipping the answer. Sorry. Next one. That's a depressing question. I don't want to think about it. Next, 8 out of 25. Next one. I mean, why do the questions have to be so depressing? Why should we talk about this one? Poverty, population, death, unemployment, disease. So option D. Nitin, I just skipped that question. I came to the next one. I don't want to discuss that. So yeah, the next one. Sana says option B, 673, 7G4, 4A7, Sakshi, 770, 444, Sairam. Abba Sairam. Once is enough. 502, 7B8, 63, 507, 677, 673. Very good, very good. Sana, I saw your answer. Let us just see what does it have. It says poverty, population, death, unemployment, disease. So let us arrange them in terms of reasoning part. So because of population, we have poverty, let's say. No, because of population, we have unemployment. Yes. So we have population, then unemployment. After unemployment, this leads to poverty. And poverty will lead to disease. Disease will lead to death. Ultimately, we're going back to 24153. Again, a depressing question. No more discussion, no more discussion on that. Next one, 9 out of 25. 9 out of 25. Ninth question. So 30 minutes, 9 questions. Efficiency, work done per time, 9 questions by 30. 3 by 10. Very good, 3 by 10. How impetuous behavior was a result of our conditioning? Find the correct antonym for maybe the word impetus. Impetuous, you can call. Impetuous. Impetuous itself means being rash or being rude or being ungrateful. It means all these words. Okay, it means ungrateful. It means unempathetic, unsympathetic kind of behavior. Okay, so rash is like a meaning of that. No, poised, not quite an antonym, but kind of can be used. But no, quiet, sluggish cannot be. Quiet is something that we can go forward with. Like exactly opposite to rash is not quiet, but you can contradict the word rash with quiet. You can contradict the word rude with maybe, yeah, you can also go with poised, I believe, because rude and poised, they can be contradicted. I mean, they are opposite to each other, kind of. But yeah, we can, like most of the times, we can go with quiet here because you being quiet is a kind of being thankful, grateful. Poised is the antonym. Yeah, that's what, like, I'm confused between these two words because being quiet, I'm thinking like, does that suffice the question here? Because you being quiet doesn't mean you're not rude. You can be quiet and still be rude, right? You can be quiet and you can still be ungrateful. Okay, so I think we can go with the option B here, not C. Sluggish again, I think can go for a meaning, can go for a synonym, doesn't it? Let's go with the option B here. Okay, the next one. You can have these questions in the English ability question sessions also, but here I think I'm just getting them on the screen, so we are doing it. So 10 out of 25, 10th question of 25. Synonym is rash. Yes, Sairam. We took it as poised. 590. The last was poised we took. Now we have a question on synonym. The attitude of the West towards the Eastern countries is rather unfeeling. So the word must be unfeeling. We are looking at the synonym for the word unfeeling. Unfeeling is something which is like they are not happy with us. They are unhappy. The first thing can be unhappy. Uh, yes, they are again unfeeling would be rude. Again, unfeeling can be rash. It can be unkind. It can be unkind. Yes, it can be unkind. But if you look into the dictionary meaning of unfeeling, it will not go with the word unkind. Unkind will be one of the adjectives to describe the unfeeling, maybe. Yeah, hatred. Yes, very good. For him, it can go for hatred. The dictionary meaning would be hatred too. So if we look at this curse, no, it cannot be passive. No, it cannot be. It should be either callous or unkind. Because callous also means callous also means rash. Callous also means hatred. Yes, callous means disregard. Like a more dictionary word is this one, I would say. You can check in the dictionary, like you will have maybe callous as the synonym of unfeeling rather than unkind. Yeah, unkind could be one of the words which can be used, but it cannot replace the word unfeeling, I believe, because unkind doesn't have as many meanings as unfeeling has. Yeah. So you can maybe check the dictionary, it would be callous. And I'll not say, because the dictionary has a number of corrections every year. I don't believe the dictionary too. So this year it can be callous. Let's go with the callous word callous, but yeah, you can have more detailed discussion in this on this in your English ability class. On the next question, 11th question out of 25. Yes, we are doing good. We are almost halfway there in 35 minutes. 35 minutes, 11 questions. I mean, 11th question we are doing. Efficiency is 11 by 35. Good. Can we bring the efficiency to, right now it is less than 1. Can we bring the efficiency to very near to 1 or close to 1? In a certain code, calendar is written as CLANAEDR. How is circular written in that code? Okay, 6A2, you already have the answer for this one. Very good, Nitin. Nitin already has the answer. Okay, Nitin. Okay, let me check. CALENDAR. And we have CLANAEDR. So the first alphabet, the last alphabet are same. This has got interchanged. This has got interchanged here, 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 here. Okay, fine. So where is D gone? D is here. Okay. So circular is CIRCULAR. So the first and the last would remain the same. First and the last would remain the same. If I check the options, the first option is cancelled, the B option is cancelled. So we only have option. Oh, even the C is cancelled, man. So we should be having the first and the last to be same, right? C and R. It only is present in option D. I wouldn't check the other options because it's just a waste of time there for us. And even then, if you want to check it, so it's CRI and then you have, and then you have this here A, this one here L, and then you have U here, and then C here. Now, why doesn't this look the same? Mhm. I don't know. Yeah, so this is CRIUCALR. That's fine. Good. Okay with this? Can I move to the next one? Yes. First and last letter. Yes, 6A2. Good. You're catching it up. Very good. 12th out of 25. Almost there. Halfway through. Very good, guys. That's a good speed. 37 minutes. 12 questions. With the explanations, that's a really good speed. Okay, okay. So, option B, 706. Very good. You already having the answers in the chat box. Really good, Sai Kumar. Very good. Sai Kumar, I'd like to see more of your messages in the chat box. More of you answering. That would be really good to read. RENNOAIT. Very good, Nitin. Sairam. Where are you, Sairam? Sairam answer కోసం వెయిట్ చేస్తున్నాను నేను. Okay, fine. What do we have? What do we have? Let's see. Okay, the middle alphabet, the central alphabet is remaining the same. What is the word we have? We have established. So what is the middlemost term? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So L. So L should remain the same. So we have L in the middle everywhere. Yeah, we have it in all the options. So we might have to verify everything there. Okay, then what do we have? What do we have? We have a G. We have R. Okay. I, M, E. So the first three letters have gone in such a way. So the first letter would be in the third position, E. So first letter would be in third position, cancelled here, cancelled. Options A and C are cancelled. And the second alphabet should be in the last of this one. Here it is S, okay. And the last here should be in the beginning. Okay, B, E, S, B, E, S, B, E, S. Okay, what is changing? On the right side is changing. It's like it's same on the left hand side. Let me check the right hand side. So here it is, okay, what do we have? N. So D should be here. So D should be the first of it. So here it is E. So this is eliminated. D, option D. Very good. We are not, you, if you look at the pattern of our solving, we are not looking at every alphabet. You see where we are trying to conclude the answer, we are trying to verify the options and see what is different. Why are the options different? And that term which is actually differentiating the option, that is the letter we are considering to verify. Yeah, you can call them eliminations, and also we can call them verification of the options there. Okay, option verification and option elimination, both are combined here. Very good. We can use both the terms, option elimination with option verification all the times. Like with each of the alphabets that we are getting, we are verifying the options. Yes, option D. Very good, Lahari. So I'm moving to the next question. I hope this is clear. Next one, shall we? Yeah, very good, guys. We are doing good. We are doing great. 13 out of 25. So 41 minutes, 13 questions. No, this is not to actually scare you out. 13 by 41. Very good. Efficiency, efficiency. So I'm making sure that you don't forget the terms of time and work all through the session. Uh, Not yet 6A2, but yeah, let's see this. Strong is coded as ROTNSG. And students, like when I say it's like we have to do fast, it doesn't mean you don't understand and still go forward. You're still are allowed to ask me questions. So please don't be in that hasty speed way. You can ask questions. You're not stopped from asking questions. You always can ask. It is along with the explanations and all, we need to do 25 questions. So what do we have? Third alphabet here is the first one. Okay, where is the last alphabet? Didn't I write the last alphabet? Yeah, strong is coded as ROTN. Wait. I noted it down wrong. Alright, S and G. S and G. Here is the last alphabet. Okay, third is first. So Nagpur. Third is the first. And last still remains the last. Okay, we can eliminate options B and C. Where are these? Third alphabet is changing. So let us see what is the third alphabet. This is the second alphabet. Second alphabet A. GPA. Option A. Done. Okay. Option A. So anyone has any other different answer? Very good. Sana 590. Yes, 590. You can check one alphabet. Whichever alphabet is varying, you can check that alphabet. Good. 44, 444. We have 63. Right, man. Very good. You people are actually getting very fast now. This is really fast. Okay. Good. Nice. 4 and 8. Very good. Very good. All right. The next question. 14 out of 25. No, we complete 50% of work here. 6A2. We complete 50% of work, not efficiency. Efficiency has not increased to 50%. Now work done is 14 questions. Your time taken is exactly 43 minutes. So efficiency is work done per time, 14 by 43. All right, now, so what do we have? Boys is written as DQAU. So 2 is 4, 15 as 17, 25 as 1 or 27, you can call this. This is 1 or 27, okay? And this is 19 and this is 21. That is like plus 2, plus 2, plus 2 everywhere. So hello is 8, 5, 12, 12, 15. So it goes to 10, 7. So 10, 7, gone. 10, 7, option A. You only have first two alphabets, right? 10, 7. Rest of them are like not good. So JGNNO, Jugnu. All right, going to the next question. It differs at O. But I say it differs at the first alphabet itself. Okay, you're saying it differs at O. Okay, this should have been a Q. Yeah, this should have been a Q. But here it should have been a Q. True, 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 true. So let's take an option for us. JGNNQ. So this is the option. Option E. Very good, very good, very good. Next, 15th of 25th question. Huh? What? So quick, 590? How? For a number series, a wrong number is given. Find out. I was thinking there was number series question. Wrong number is given. 150, 450, 750, 1350, 1650, 1950. Wow, what an observation. What a question, man. These kind of questions we can do 100 in 2 hours. Okay, fine. Next one. I'm going to the next one. No, there is no discussion on that. Sorry. Next question on screen. Germany is written as 75, sorry, 75181311 425. How is sycophant written as? Option B. How option B? Okay, so is it only the alphabet and its number? So yeah, this is G, this is E, this is R. Fine, G, E, R is okay. So sycophant 19. 19, 19, 19. Only option B has 19. The remaining options don't have anything. Okay, so 16th out of 25th question is done. Very good. Very good, students. You are really quick now. I hope I'm not hushing you up or I'm not hurrying you or worrying you. I hope everything is fine. It's okay. It's okay. Are you feeling okay to do it in this way? You can just check Y as 25. Yeah. Yeah, concepts are clear. Like, are we okay like with this kind of doing like this kind of running through every question? Or do you want us to do slow, steady? It's like I want you to catch up the pace. So you'll have that. I mean, you'll not get bored, no? When we are on our toes, we'll not get bored. 17th out of 25th question. It will be like always, we have to do first, we have to do first. We have to have that. Quickly we can complete. 706. This was very fast. How? 706. When I said answer quickly, doesn't mean you answer anything quickly. There must be right answers. Okay, let us check 706. Totally all right with speed. All right, Supraja. So 134 says good and tasty. 478 means see good pictures, and 4729 means pictures are faint. How would you verify? Did we do this question already? Did we? Good and tasty. Says 134 and see good pictures. Says 478 and then pictures are faint. No, I just want to do it once, so that's why pictures are faint is 729. So how do you do such kind of questions? Like when you write them down, you just try to find out the maps, or when you try to map them with different alphabets and their, I mean, with different words and their numbers. Like for suppose, what are the common words in good and tasty, see, good picture? So in these two, the word good is common. So what do you find? You try to find out the number which is common in these two. So the number 4 is common. So that means 4 is good. Okay. And then I'll just take another color. So the word pictures is common in statement 2 and statement 3. Pictures and pictures here. What is the common number in these two? 7. 7. So pictures is 7. So you are only left with one option for for the word C in the statement number 2. Now which counts down to 8. This one is 8. Okay. Done, done, done. So 8 is our answer. Very good, very good. That was really quick from you people, and very good. 709 Ankunta. First one to answer it. Ah, sir, how? Okay. Ah, the screen looks so colorful. I just saw it. Wait, looks like holy color splashed. So what we do was, in this case, in these kind of questions, whenever the statements are given, just let us just number them. This is the first statement, this is the second statement, this is the third statement. So what do we do is, the first statement and second statement, we try to find out what are the common words in them. What are the common words here? Good is a common word. So if we have good as a common word, what do? We try to search for a common number between these two. So 1, 3, 4, 4, 7, 8. What is a common number between these two? 4. And common word is good. That means good is always mapped to 4. Okay. Similarly, statement 2 and statement 3. What is a common word? Pictures. Pictures and pictures. So what is a common number? So 4 is already taken. So it should be either 4, either 7 or 8. So here you don't have 8. So you have 7 there. So pictures is same in both. So number should also be 7 and 7. So 7 is mapped to pictures. Nitin? Sorry for that. Just give me a minute. I'll show you the next question. I just will have some water and get back. Yeah. Please solve this one. What is this? Yeah, find the odd numbers letters from the given alternatives. Or the question can simply be written as find the odd one out. Let's say find the odd one out. Okay, PQXZ 16, 17, 24, 25, 3, 17, 2, 24, 1, 2, 4, 6, 16, 18, 13, 14. Now, how do we find out the odd one out? So 16, 17, difference is 1. 16, 17 difference is 1, 24, 25 difference is 1, 317 difference is high, 224 difference is high, 1, 2 difference is 1, 4, 6 difference is 2. Okay, doesn't match. PR difference is 2, 13, 14 difference is 1. So you have 1, 1, 1, 2, 2, 1. That nothing is matching. Ah, sorry, 26. Okay, this is 2. Fine, fine, fine. Sorry. 26. So 1, 2, 1, 2, 2, 1. But that isn't matching, right? You should have 1, 2 here also. So okay, no, this logic will not work. This is not the logic we have to consider. What else is the logic? Let us consider, what do we consider? Let's observe the alphabets. So consonant, 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 vowel, consonant, 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 consonant. Okay, so in that way, this one can be the odd one out. Okay, this one can be the odd one out. And the other way is that, yes, as you said, the first two alphabets, 16, 17, 1, 2, 16, 18. But no, this is also not continuous, no, Sana? 16, 18 है ना लास्ट वाले में. And the last two alphabets, 24, 26. Here you like the second option. I'll write the second option also, 3, 17 and 2, 24. And here it is 4 and 6. Here it is 13 and 14. Oh no, don't be sorry. It's okay. So 13, 14. So here it is difference is 1. Here difference is 2. Here difference is a lot. Here difference is 2 again. So 1, 2, 2. It is not forming a pattern. But here again, if you check, the difference is 1, yes, as you said, and here the difference is 1, as you said. But here it is 2. It is 1 1 2 2 2 1. No. What is the difference between these two? This is 8. This is more. This is 2. This is 5. No, even that doesn't form any kind of logic for us to consider. This is what 18th out of 25th question. No? Can we say so? The difference in C and D is difference 1 and 2 in ACD. ACD is B, no? Difference is either 1 or 2. You're saying, okay. In options A, C, and D, you're saying the difference is either 1 or 2, but the others, okay, okay. Now I understood fine, Andy. Uh-huh. So in that case, if you consider, yes, option B would be the right answer. Okay, I'll agree with you. But what if I'm saying, I mean, in the other case, the first, I mean, the option A, option B, and option C do not have a vowel letter in that. Option C has a vowel letter. How can that not be an odd one out here? If you're trying to find such kind of logics, we can also say, no, like we can say all options A, B, and D have alphabets greater than 10, the greater than the value of 10, but option C does not have any alphabet with greater than 10. So in this case, how would we proceed? It is again, as I said, world is of majorities. You tell me which logic seems right to you. Like, do you say let us take the difference is either 1 or 2 in all the cases, but not in case of B, so B is the odd one out? Or how would we do? It can be vowel and it fits well, triple four. Yeah, I too feel the same. But I'm one of the Democrats here, so you can just tell me majors and my majorities and minorities. 51% always wins. Who's this? Are we going with option B or C? Now you will be asking me, sir, what is the examiner going with? It is not, it doesn't mean what option you and me are giving, but what does the examiner give? Examiner might give the option C because that actually fits well with all the other questions also, because we need not say either or. We can straight away say one logic. That's it. So any option doesn't have a vowel letter in that, but option C has a vowel letter in that. So we go forward with the option C. That's how. Yes, in this case, I would like to consider option C as the answer because it is the one logic which doesn't have any conflicts with the other alphabets, other options there. Agreed? Yeah, yeah, that is very hypothetical, triple four. Ah, but fine. Such questions are okay. There will be more different questions there. We'll see. Okay. Peacock, India. Okay, national bird is talking about. National animal is talking about. Bear is what? Bear is for which country? How do you know it is for Russia? Is it trending again? Russia is again trending? Guess. Australia's kangaroo, we know. What is America's national animal? What is England's national animal? America is eagle. Yeah, yeah, I've seen it. I've seen it. Eagle. Okay, what is England's? England, we can give a snake to them. We can give a snake for them. We'll only give them a snake. We'll tell, okay, for this one, Russia. No, no, we can give them a snake, no lion. Right. Going to the next question. No, that doesn't have anything to do with us. But just a question in the English ability, I guess. Why would someone check your general knowledge and English ability? That was the 19th question, I guess. And then the next question, 20th. Reasoning question. Visual reasoning. Visual reasoning. Great. Okay. So you take a paper in a triangle form, fold it into half, and then you have this one. So fold that one also into half. Make a hole here with a triangle and another hole here with a circle. Hmm. Open that up. What will you get? Figure 3 or option 3? And the options are not arranged properly. It's a 1, 3, 2, 4. Option B, figure 3. Okay. Yeah, yeah. It will not be figure 2. I don't think the triangle would come over here. I'll tell you why. I think I think this has been done wantedly here. Because when you fold this paper down, you will have the paper as this, right? You will have it here like this. You will not have the paper here, but you'll have it here. Do you agree? Your paper will get folded like this. So when you take a hole on this side, so the hole will get reflected here, but not on the top. So you'll have the circle, yes, you'll have the circle here, here, and here. This you will have. On top, you'll have nothing because there is no hole on this side. There's nothing here. So yeah, figure 3, option B. Because folded in triangle on top. Folded. Okay, okay. 444. Do you agree with this? Or was that you had a different answer? Yeah. Okay, great. So don't get confused when the paper is folded. It actually gets folded like this, comes here, and then it goes like this. So it doesn't fall in this corner. It doesn't fall in this corner at all. Right. 590. Paper fold చేసినప్పుడు ఈ like this line would come here, no? Take a paper and try. Not now, after the session. And then next 8, 28, 116, 584, and what is the next number? 8, 28, 116, 584. What's next? Okay, check. I can say this is into 3 plus 4. This is 21st question out of 25. Good going, guys. 60 minutes, or 61 minutes, 21 questions. Efficiency 21 by 61, approximately 1 by 3. Very good. Very good. Okay. What do we have? What do we have? Is it satisfying? Into 3 plus 4? 28 into 3. 112? 112 plus 4? Is it satisfying? Okay. 23, 60, 60 plus 32 is. No, this is into 4, I guess. Let's do into 4. Into 4. 28 into 4 is 112. Yes, it works. And then it will be into 5 plus 5 then. So, no, into 5 plus 4 then. So 116 into 4 is 580 plus 4. Yes, it works. This one will be into 6 plus 4. So 584 into 6 plus 4. 500 into 6 is 3000. 8 into 6 is 480. So 3480 plus the next number. So do we have 3508? Okay. 3508 or 3504? Sure. 3000. 3480. 3480. Yeah. Okay. Fine. Done. Great. Okay. Next. Yeah. Unit digit. You can check 590. Very good. So 6 into 4 is 24. 24 plus 4 will be unit digit is 8. Yeah. Good. Good thinking. Good thinking. Next one. Yeah. 3504 plus 4. No, I forgot plus 4, Ritvik. Yeah. Next question on screen. 22nd question out of 25. Very good going, guys. Very good going. We still are left with a lot of time and we are already doing the target. I want us to cross both minimum and maximum. Let's see. Let's try. 53, 53, 40, 27, 27. Then what? Okay. How does this sound? This is 0, but this is 13. And this is 13. This is 0. Then next one will be 13 again. 14. Okay. 27 minus 13, 14. Very good. Clear? Simple గానే ఉంది కదా? 0, 13, 13, 0. So next one will be also 13. Or you can take alternate. Yeah. 53, 40, 27 watt. 53, 27, 40. I mean 27 and then what? You can consider both. Yeah, alternate series also is fine. Okay, I think this is also clear with everyone. I'm just going to the next question. Please stop me if I'm going too fast or if you think we should slow down somewhere. No, please look at the question. Completed 590 what? 677 what? Arre. At least let me look at the question, man. Okay, the last column. Oh, you completed this in college. All the questions you completed, that's why are you answering it so quick, or is it only this one? All the questions that we saw so far? This is only one repeated. Good. Okay. I started doubting your speed then. No, I should not have doubts. You're learning quick. You're very quick. Very good. So I'll not consider this to be a number of our 25. No, not considered. Next one. Explain, Nitin. If explanation is there, it'll be counted. So what do you have here? We have lines and the circles are outside the lines. Okay, lines and circles are outside the lines again. Same lines, circle should be outside the first figure. It should be outside the first figure. So figure here and outside that you should have 4 circles. That is here, option 2. The, okay, Nitin? Yeah. Even then it is not counted. This is the 23rd question. Find the odd one out. 24, 20, 18, 12, 10, 6, 16, 12. Difference is 4. Difference is 4. No, difference is 6. Difference is 4. Difference is 4. Okay then. Option B. Difference. Yeah. Okay, guys. Okay, very good, very good. This is real quick. Very good. Any questions, anyone? Everyone is doing right? You're not skipping? Yeah. We will do 590 చేద్దాం ఇప్పుడు. Like I think we'll complete the minimum number of questions within the next 5 minutes, and then we have a lot of time to discuss. Don't worry. Yeah. I'll do it 6 0. Last 10-15 minutes we'll do the same. We'll do exercise. We'll do it. Next 15 minutes వరకు ఇది చేసేసి uh, 75 hands away. Yeah, there is a shortcut. Yeah, memory is the shortcut. I'll tell you how to do it. Yeah, it's okay. 75. Yeah, with this one question. So you already have given statement 1 is true. It says all mobiles are tablets. Let me just take a small diagram here. All mobiles are tablets. Okay, all mobiles are tablets. All tablets are smartphones. All tablets are smartphones. Maybe I'm just closing the chat box so that I need some space for this. All mobiles. Okay, all tablets are smartphones. And he said all smartphones are laptops. All smartphones are laptops. And he said all laptops are computers. Okay. All laptops are computers. It looks like some target here. Okay, target is here. It said some tablets are laptops. Some tablets. Yes, some tablets are laptops, obviously. Some laptops are not tablets. Some laptops are not tablets. Some laptops are not tablets. Some tablets are laptops. Some tablets are laptops. No. In this case, it's like all tablets are laptops. All tablets are laptops, right? Wait. Sorry, I'm not checking the chat box. Yeah. How is statement 1 true, please? It's not some tablets are laptops. All the tablets are laptops. If you see here, tablets is an inner circle for laptops. It's like all the tablets are laptops, but not all the laptops are tablets. So some laptops are not tablets. This is true actually. Some laptops are not tablets. Some laptops are just laptops. There are only some tablets which are laptops. No, both are not correct. Triple four. ఫస్ట్ దాంట్లో ఏంటి అంటే ఆల్ టాబ్లెట్స్ లైక్ వెన్ యూ ఐ టెల్ యూ వన్ స్మాల్ లాజిక్ వెన్ యూ ఆర్ లుకింగ్ అట్ when looking from the innermost circle to the outermost circle, all అనే word is always true. Okay, but when you're looking from the outer circles towards the inner circles, some, the word some is always true. Okay, ఇది ఒక చిన్నది గుర్తుపెట్టుకోండి. So when you're looking from the topmost circle into the innermost circle, it's like some of the laptops are tablets, some laptops are not tablets. Okay, so I can say some laptops are not tablets is true. Statement 2 is true. But why does the options have statement 1 is true, 2 is true, 3 is true, 4 is true, 3 is true, 4 is true? Why does that have? Is it talking about these statements? No. Statements and conclusions always go with conclusions as the answers. There is a flaw in the question, man. This should have been conclusion 1 is true, conclusion 2. I did not check the options at all from that time. Just a second. No, the options are like, option should not be like, the option should be either conclusion 1 is true, conclusion 2 is true, or both of them are true, neither of them is true. Yeah, there is a direct relationship between laptops and tablets. Yeah. So if all tablets are laptops, then some tablets would also be laptops. Then you mean if some tablets are laptops, then what about the other some? That's what I'm saying. When you're looking at from you, when you're looking at the innermost circle to the outermost circle, all is always true, not some. When you say some, that means there is a part of the all which is not true. That means if some tablets are laptops, that means there are a part of the laptops which are not, there are a part of tablets which are not laptops. That's what I'm also thinking, Nitish Reddy. I'm thinking if they are asking about the statements, if they are asking about the statements, statement 1 is true, 2 is true, 3 is true, 4 is true. I don't know, man. Options, maybe they should be like conclusion 1 follows, conclusion 2 follows, either of conclusion 1 or 2 follows, neither of one conclusion 1 or 2 follows. It should be like that, I think, Nitish. But if you give me some chance, I think I can check this one and come back. I see some great flaw in this question. But then, with the given information, we can go with option 2 is true for now. Yeah, it can be statements. Yeah, I also think the same. But yeah, but question is a question. Question is a question. So Nitish, I'll check if I mean from wherever this question is taken, I'll see if I can get that dump and check the questions exactly what was written there. Maybe during typing or something they must have done some error, or maybe the question is given in that way only, or maybe there is some instruction missing just before the question. With the conclusion, we should check which statements are true. So in that case, let's say I'm just erasing everything on the screen. I think, okay, it's fine if I erase, no problem. Yeah, if that is the case, let's say the statements, I mean, the options are right, but we have to check it from conclusions to statements. Some tablets are laptops. If some tablets are laptops, it should be like this. So this becomes tablets and this becomes laptops. Okay. And then some laptops are not tablets. Some laptops are not tablets. True. This is the only thing. Now go with the statements. All mobiles are tablets. So mobiles గురించి ఎక్కడ రాయలేదు కాబట్టి I cannot consider mobiles at all. All tablets are smartphones. I mean, there is nothing given in here regarding the smartphones. So I'll not consider statement 2 also. All smartphones are laptops. Okay, even in that case, let us not say we'll not consider, but let us consider and draw them separately. Okay, so all mobiles are tablets. So all mobiles are tablets. It will be inside this. All tablets are smartphones. So it's like all tablets, all okay, all tablets are smartphones. This is here, smartphones. And then all smartphones are laptops. All smartphones are laptops. If all smartphones are laptops, it should actually be no. Both of these statements can't be true. Either of one should only be true. All tablets are smartphones is true. All laptops are computers, so this can be all laptops are computers. No. Wait. If I mean, I'm just trying to clear. I mean, we have question from Nitish. Even we had this question, so let us not skip the question. If you skip the question, learning can get skipped. So learning should go on. So just wait a second. So if let us say the given options are true, and we should check the conclusion and only check the statements, then what is the case? I'm checking that part. So all tablets are smartphones is true. All smartphones are laptops cannot be true in this case. Okay, Nitish, do you agree? All smartphones are laptops అనే statement ని we cannot consider. ఎందుకంటే ఒకవేళ if I consider that part, it should become like all laptops are smartphones. ఇలా రావాలి అప్పుడు. Nitish, do you agree? Yes. Yeah. ఒకవేళ ఇలాగే వచ్చింది అనుకుందాం. But if this one is here, then the first conclusion, some tablets are laptops అనేది false అయిపోతుంది. So it should be like third statement is false. Third statement false according to our whatever the figures that we drew on the screen. But ఒకవేళ మనం ఆప్షన్స్ ని గమనిస్తే ఆప్షన్స్ ఆర్ సేయింగ్ 1:2, 2:2, 3:4 is true. Then which one is like close to us? ఏది కన్సిడర్ చేద్దాం? So now you understand like why I said there's a flaw. I still guess there is a flaw in the question. Nitish, clear? ఎందుకు కన్సిడర్ చేయలేదు మనం అనేది, రైట్? No, we'll go to the next question, 590. But yeah, he's only asking statements, but I think I tried to establish why we thought the question was not right. Next one on screen. No worries. Let's move on. 24th. I'll not consider the previous one also. 24th question out of 25. So we have taken 75 minutes. It's okay. It's okay. Not bad. Close to 1/3 still. Among A, B, C, D, and E, who is in the middle while standing in a row? C, who is third to the left of D. C, who is third to the left of D, is to the immediate right of A, and second to the left of E, and second to the left of E. So can we say who is the middle one here? Yes, we can say B, true. Let's check the second statement. C is the second to the left of E. C is second to the left of E, who is not at any of the ends. So E is not at any of the end. Who is third to the right of A? Who is third to the right of A? 1, 2, 3. D is at one of the ends. So D is at one of the ends. So here again we can answer yes. So either 1 or 2 is sufficient. Option C, I go with option C, 590. What do you say? ఎందుకంటే ఇక్కడ మనం ఈ స్టేట్మెంట్ చదివాం అనుకో, is not at any of the ends, this will give a clarity. ఒకవేళ మనం ఆ స్టేట్మెంట్ కన్సిడర్ చేయకపోతే it can be like D can be here or here. If D is here, what will happen? So అప్పుడు కన్ఫ్యూజన్ ఉంటుంది. But because the statement is given, so we don't have that case. So we can straight away consider the actual case itself. Clear everyone? అర్థమవుతుంది కదా అందరికి? Right. That's good. Neither means no. Yeah, that's why we took either 1 or 2 is sufficient. Okay, very good students. Last 25th question, we have reached our target, almost reached our target. Very good. No U is L. Again, this one says statement 1, 2, 3 is true. Uh, ah, wait, students, wait. What happens is, just before this, actually in the given question, what will be, I mean, in the exam, what it will be written as statement 1. Both conclusions follow. Statement 2. Conclusion 1 follows. Statement 3. Conclusion 2 follows. Statement 4. Neither of conclusions. Well, now I remember. Sorry, students. I should have mentioned this to you. So in these kind of questions, ఏముంటుందంటే just after giving you these statements and these conclusions, there will be four other statements just below it, which would say statement one is conclusion one follow, statement two is conclusion two follow, statement three is both follow, statement four is neither of them follow. The options given always correspond to these statements. Okay, options given will always correspond to these statements. నౌ ఓకే నితీష్ ఇప్పుడు అర్థమైంది అక్కడ స్టేట్మెంట్స్ వన్ అని ఎందుకు ఇచ్చాడో స్టేట్మెంట్ 1 2 3 ట్రూ అనేది ఐ షుడ్ హావ్ టోల్డ్ యూ మ్యాన్ సారీ క్లియర్ this is how the question should look like. There must be these set of statements before the options are given, so you choose from these four. All right, now in this case let us see. No u is L, so u and L are different, like two different Venn diagrams. Okay, no L is K, no L is K. Okay, no L is K, so K can be here or K can be here. Some n are z, some n are z. Okay, some n are z. Fine. Some z are magic, some z are magic. It can be here or magic can be here. It can be anywhere. Now what does the question say? No u is z, no u is z. Do we have a relation between magic n and u? N z u magic? No, we don't have any relation. But it is, I mean, you don't know it, but yeah, next one. All z being L is a possibility. All z being L is a possibility. Mm. All z being L is a possibility. You never know. Both these statements, again the words maybe, might be, could be, like possibility words, possible words always give us a negative answer. So in this case, I would go with none of these. None of these. All z being L is a possibility, maybe or may not be. You never know, because according to the statements given, there are no hints about that. No, that's why we don't consider that. Okay, clear? Nitish, I'll just go back to the previous question. This one, in the statement 1 2 3 4 and ante, even in this one, it will tell the same. Statement one will be written as conclusion one follows. Statement one will be written as conclusion one follows. Statement two is conclusion two follows. Statement three is conclusion one and two follows. Statement four will be neither of the conclusion follow. So this is asking about that. Fine. Okay, clear? Yeah. I'll go to this one. Vamshi, ide kada? 24th. This one? Wait. I'm coming from the top. Wait. Nitin says no u is the correct kada. No u is z. No u is z. Uh, no u is z. Maybe or may not be. That is the question. No, because in this statement of relation, there is no connection between u and z. Yeah, we'll go with 25, 24, and 23. All the three, just one after the other. Uh, According to the question, what I feel is like no u is L is given, no L is K is given. That means like you have a relation between u, L, and K. Okay, u, L, and K relation is established. And then here N, Z, and magic relation is established. But there is no relation between u, L, K and N, Z, magic. I mean, according to the question, there is nothing being displayed or nothing being discussed there. So no u is Z. It can be a possibility. That's what I said. It can be a possibility. So might be, maybe, can be a possibility. Sana Tabassum, you say, okay, no u is z, there is no relation between u and z. There is no relation between u and z. I would say that is not mentioned anywhere about u and z. So it can be a possibility. I'm not denying the possibility of it being there. It can be a possibility, but how fair is it to consider an answer based on the possibility of its occurrence? Shouldn't we be sure about that? I'm thinking. Just a second. Give me a minute. Okay. Yes, if you say, I mean, yeah, you can consider that also, but I am still unsure. I'm still saying, if at all we are not completely sure about it, how else can we do? How else can I consider? Yes, as you said, okay, U and Z relation is not mentioned. So I can say no U is Z. That is true. Yeah, no U is Z is true because we are not matching them anywhere. And then all Z being L is possibility. In that case, all Z being L is also a possibility. Then both the statements are true. Both conclusions follow. Because let's say if no U is Z, if the first statement is true, second statement can be true, right? Because U, when U is not Z, Z can be a relation, Z can be in a relation with L here. It can be there. Agreed? So what would I do? If I were you, I would choose neither one nor two. But you being you can choose one and give me the reason for that. Yes, Sana, what do you say? Sairam, Supraja, Sanjaya, Vamshi, Harika, Nitin. Okay, Sanjana Tabassum would like to go with conclusion one follows. Absolutely agreed. Okay, fine. You can reason it. That's what I said. I always believe this one. Like reasoning can be very different. There is no one right answer always. Full of confusion, Vamshi. Yeah, ఇలాంటి questions లో common అది. But it's fine. We can learn. No worries. Okay, someone asked me about the previous question 24. I'm going to the previous question. Someone asked me about 24th question. Anyone wants me to repeat this one? Or is it clear now? Vamshi. Vamshi, statement number one, C, who is third to the left of D. So first place D, third to the left of D kada. Third position to the left of D. Is to the immediate right of A. Is not night. A is right. Is to the immediate right of A. And second to the left of E. Second to the left of E. So here. So మనకి middle position ఎవరో చెప్పొచ్చు కదా ఈజీగా. It's B here, obviously. This is statement number one. Second statement లో C, second to the left of E. Second to the left of E is C, who is not at any of the ends. So E is not at any of the ends అంటున్నాడు. All right, and who is to the third of the right of A? Who is to the third of the right of A? D is at one of the ends. Because the statement is mentioned, who is not at any of the ends. Okay, E అనేవాడు ends లో లేడు కాబట్టి that is why we are taking E is not at the end, D is at the end. Here again we can say B. So either one or two. Both of them are there. Clear, Amshi? Yeah. 23rd. I guess now this one gets cleared. And 25. Oh, okay. I would say we will have one half an hour's discussion on syllogisms. Yeah, syllogisms. We'll have half an hour discussion in the next class. What do you say? To make sure we get the rules correct, we'll go through the rules. We'll go through examples. We all want it. Actually, we all need it. Even I need them. I want to go read the rules again because as far as I remember all the rules, it said like might be, maybe, could be, can be is always a negative answer. But yes, it's always good to go back and learn the concepts, the basics there. So we will get the rules, we'll get the examples, and then we will practice for first half an hour in the next session. But now, yeah, we will do it 67. It's uh it's a word. We will do it in the next session. Don't worry. Okay, what's the time? Time is 2:40. Let me just do you want to do this one? One question? Yeah, it's up to three, but last 10-15 minutes I would like to discuss on the numbers and alphabets. So we'll do one question of this, 26th of 25. Very good, guys. We have crossed the minimum number of target that we put up. Very good. It was really good. Clap for yourself, everyone. Can I do it? Yes. We used to have reactions on screen, no? Why aren't we seeing any reactions on screen? We used to have reactions in Zoom. We don't have it now. All right. Very good, students. You can everyone clap for yourselves. You have done a great job. 25 questions within the time limit, and that too like 30 minutes, 30 minutes quicker. That too with all the explanations. Sir, can we get more questions like how to identify which year ends with which day? If it starts with so and so day, like for instance Monday. Yeah, days and the topic of clocks, days. That's what the days, years, and all. These have become obsolete in the last 3 4 years. No company is asking these questions. But again, there's a but. Above, there's always a possibility of these questions in national level tests of Infosys or TCS. Very few companies still ask the questions on clocks, but days have completely been ignored so far. So, but yeah, as per your request, we will see if we find some time after our proper discussion and all, we can definitely discuss on these questions. Okay. But for now, let us do this question on screen, everyone. No, calendars is not a topic 444. We don't have calendars. Yeah, clocks and calendars. Sorry. I should have named the technical term. The question is on the screen, and I would like us to solve this one. Let us take some time, no worries. There are 6 houses in a colony, such that 3 houses are in a row and other 3 houses are in the other opposite row. Okay, I'm just drawing a map here so that it becomes easier for us. So there are 3 houses on one side of the row and the other one is on the opposite. So it will be like opposite, right? They are opposite rows. Each house should be opposite to each other. I mean, each house should be opposite to the other one. The 3 houses in a row are equidistant from each other. Okay, each house is exactly opposite the other house. Okay, each house is painted with a different color. Okay, what are the colors we have? We have red, we have blue, green, yellow, pink, and orange. Oh, we already have the answer. 475. Very good. Okay, let me just check now. I'll take the highlighter. Houses at the corner are not painted with blue and red. So houses at the corner are not painted with blue and red. That means what? The middle houses have the possibility of being painted with either blue or red. Okay. It can be get sorry, it can get painted with either blue or red. So it is either blue or red here. Either blue or red. Okay. Then what does the next statement say? House painted with orange color is not opposite the house painted with green color. Okay, that means if the house is painted with orange color here, there is no possibility of green color here. Okay. Uh, if at all the house painted with orange color is here, the green color cannot form here. Okay. Yellow and pink colored houses are not in the same row. Okay, if yellow one is here. If yellow is here, pink should not form in the same row. So I don't have pink color. So let's say, can I can I can I mix 2 colors to get pink? I cannot. Something. This thing that is a pink color. Or let me take this color. This is pink, let's say. They both are not in the same. Which house is diagonally opposite to orange colored house? Okay, so in this case, yeah, it became too colorful and nothing is visible now. But yeah, let me take a black. It will be visible here. So if orange is here, it clearly said that orange color is not opposite the house painted with green color. We know that it cannot be green one here. And we already know the green cannot occupy a position here. So green can either occupy a position here or here. So if you take this is to be orange color, this is orange, this is blue, or this is red, let's say this is red. So if this can be pink because yellow and pink cannot be the same one. So if this one is yellow, if this one is yellow, this will be blue, and only color left is green. So if it is opposite, what do we want? Diagonally opposite, not straight opposite. Diagonally opposite. If this one is orange, diagonally opposite is this one. Okay. Now let's say the three houses in equidistance from each other, and other houses are opposite row. Let's say these rows actually look like this. There's a road in between, and the houses are like this, placed like this. Okay. Diagonally opposite to the first house will be the sixth house. Okay. Exactly opposite to the first house will be the fourth house. If I number them. Okay. If they are not in this way, if they are not in this way, and if they are in this format, the one here given in this, given like this, diagonally opposite will be the immediate opposite. I mean the immediate diagonally opposite. So do you tell me which one should we consider, given the options? Okay, we have both the options, green and blue. What would you suggest? Should we take the second case or the first case? There are six houses in a colony, such that three houses in a row and the other three houses are in the opposite row. Obviously, when they are in a colony, they need to have a road in between. They cannot just stick to each other. Their houses, no? Yes, practically thinking. Yes, very good. 5 by 3. Kind of put good. So we'll take the case two because that is the one which is practical. So diagonally opposite of one would be six. So diagonally opposite of the orange colored house would obviously be a green colored house. That's good. So taking a green colored house opposite to a orange colored house. That would be very interesting to see, no? All these colorful houses. Pondicherry has all these colorful houses everywhere. Fine, good, good with that. Very good. So everyone understood this question? The last 15 minutes left. Last 15 minutes left. Shall we do the question? Shall we do a small concept on alphabets and numbers? Yes. Yep. Give me a second. I want a slide there. Yep. Yes, think you can see the screen. Yep. Now 6A2, where how will the recorded session be shared? Did I say I will share? Let's see. All right, everyone on to the screens. So what are we trying to do here? We are trying to understand the coding and decoding. How will we memorize the positions of alphabets according to the numbers, or how will we remember the numbers in accordance with the alphabets? That is the concept that you are trying to see. And please, okay, people who already know this and people who do not want to just mess up their mind with something new, you are good to leave. It's fine if you leave, but if you want to stay and have some fun, you can just stay back because this can become a bit funny here. And yes, for the people who are leaving, have a great day. Bye bye. Yes, we'll go with the concept of HOT. We can go with the concept of HOT. We'll see with that. Okay, so starting off with the alphabets A, B, C, D. Obviously, we know the alphabets of A, B, C, and D. A, B, C, and D. We can straight away write it as one, okay, two, three, and four. And the last four alphabets, it's fine. We can write them last three or four alphabets. We can write it later. Let's do it. 777. Let's try to do it. Okay, the last four alphabets or last three alphabets we can write later. And right now we have this. Let's cook up a story. Okay. Yes, we are going with the basic or the usual understanding of EJOT itself, but let us cook up a story right now. Let us build a story. I know that you people are very good at story writing. So let's say there was this French lady. Let's call her French. Let's call her some French lady. Her name was Ijoti. She met a boy from India. She met a boy from India, and what was this boy doing in France? I don't know. Maybe he went for his studies purpose. Okay, he went abroad for his studies purpose. This woman named Ajoti met this man from India in France. And they met, they became very good friends. Now this person from India, this boy from India, what do we name him? Let us name him. Let us name him K. So this would be the project K. Okay. This guy K, met this woman Jyoti, but as he is from India and her name was so difficult for him to remember in the beginning, and like even to spell. So what did he do? He's like, Indians, we are good at maths, we are good at numbers. You being engineers, you cannot say you hate maths. So we are good at numbers. So what did K think that, okay, let me see what are the alphabet numbers of her name. So he then found out that they were in terms of multiples of 5. Then he remembered her name in terms of numbers. That was 5, 10, 15, 20, and 25. So K remembered Jyoti's name in terms of numbers, saying 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. Okay, which brings us to the next alphabet in the series, which is E, 5. All right, then these two people became very good friends, and this woman Ijoti did not know anything about cricket, and this guy being from India, K was mad about cricket. And one fine day in the year 2013, there was Champions Trophy happening in England, and France was so close to England that K thought he can go to this place, England, to watch the final match between like India and England there of cricket. So they went to this match, and every time someone was hitting the ball in the air, the whole crowd went sixer there. And when this lady Ijoti couldn't make out what was happening around the stadium, she then she wanted to ask Mr. K what was happening, but K was so involved in the game that he couldn't answer. So what did what did Ijoti think? Okay, she said, okay, whenever the ball is in the air, it's a six and it's a fix. So whenever Dhoni hits the ball in the air, or Dinesh Karthik hit the ball in the air, she said, okay, now whenever the ball is in the air, when it is hit by these two people, it's a six fix. So she said F is fix and fix for six. Okay, that's how she remembered. And then and then let us just give a break for K and Jyoti. Let's leave them apart. The game is happening. Let us not disturb them right now. So when we write down the letter G, we write it in terms of this here. Okay, G7. So this is how we write G, and this can be remembered as G7 because you write the alphabet when you write the number 7 when you write G there in when you write it in capital format. And then getting back to these people, K and Ijoti. Now the game was completed. She was really hungry. She went back to a hotel there. They wanted to eat something. When they wanted to eat something, like they went to some Chinese or Japanese restaurant in England, and they found that the waiter over there did not know English any bit. So what all they wanted to do is they wanted to order some food, which was, they wanted something hot there because the weather was so cold. She wanted some hot food. Ijoti tried explaining that Japanese man in her tutta putta English that she wanted some hot food. So what did she do? She took a paper. She wrote that I need a hot food there. Then she wrote H and she said like I need hot food. Then the waiter said it will take some time. He did not know how to explain it. So what he did, like he said, so I'll bring the food. He drew these two curves on the top and in the bottom. He said it will take 8 minutes for the food to get ready. So please wait until 8 minutes. That's how H became 8. And then I, when you write I in terms of cursive writing, it is 9 there. So I is 9. And then J is the second alphabet in the name of Ijoti, which is 10. So this is 10 here. And then K, what happened is like this project K, this guy K, he brought this lady Ijoti to India. You know this habit, right? Every Indian guy always wants his girlfriend to meet, his mom to meet his girlfriend. So what did K do? K took his girlfriend Ijoti to his home, and at that time, IPL season has started in India. 2013 IPL started in India. So IPL was going on, and this Ijoti now was really interested to know what is happening in cricket. She got very excited for every match of cricket there. So what did she do? She wanted to watch a match, and they were somewhere close to Delhi that time. So what did K do? K took her to a match which was happening between Delhi Daredevils and Kings 11 Punjab. So that's how Kings 11 Punjab started. So K is Kings, Kings is Kings 11, Kings 11 Punjab there. Okay. And during the match, in England, she saw that the stadium was being served with beer and stadium was being served with all the food. But here in India, it was not beer and it wasn't all that stuff. It was peak summer time, April, May, June, July. This was the time the IPL was happening. So she heard was a lemon juice. So all she heard was lemon, lemon, lemon in the stadium. And at that time, there was some juice, there was some drinks company called as Lemon, which gave the lemon juice as a lemon juice in the stadium as a served food. It was free, which came with the cost of the ticket. So 11, 11, 11. So she wanted to buy this lemon juice, and she stopped a vendor. She asked him how much did the lemon juice cost it. So he said lemon juice costed 12 rupees. So she then made it L12, so she could make it with the rhythm of his tongue, because the stadium was so noisy she couldn't hear what he said. So he said 12, 12, 12. That sounded with the same lip movement as L, so L was 12 there. And when she saw the letter M, then she thought, okay, if I rotate the letter M in clockwise direction, that turns into 3. So this would become 13 there. And N, she couldn't remember N in any way. So what did she say to herself? Okay, N always follows M. That is very clear, because L and N are always in a straight line. So L is 12, M is 13. So N is 14. That is how Ejoti started remembering them. And the next alphabet, O, was the third alphabet in her name, which was 15. So O is 15 now. And when she wrote P, she always wrote the P. She saw the P in terms in a mirror, and she found that it was an inverted 6. So she made it into 16. And when she wrote Q there, you always write Q with again a 7 in the bottom, so it becomes 17. And when you write R, you just close the bottom lid there, it becomes 8 and 18. You write S, you close the top lid, it becomes 9, and this is 19 there. And T was the next alphabet of Ejoti's name, which was 20. U is always like when K was explaining to Ejoti about India, he said that India is always united. United is one. U is one, so 21. She remembers U as 21, unity. So unity, 21, union. That's what. And V, she remembers like it has two lines and it has it has two edges. So two lines and two edges, 22. And then the alphabet W. So when she turns, when Ejoti saw this W, she thought, okay, when I rotate it anti-clockwise direction, it again turns into 3. So let me make it 23. And then when she saw the alphabet X, it had two lines and it had four ends to it. So it had two lines and four ends to it. X is 24. And Y was the fifth alphabet of Ejoti's name, 25. And Z, everyone knows, is a 26. So this is how Ejoti tried to remember what are the alphabets and their numbers. Now let us repeat it, everyone. So Mr. K met this lady Joti in France, a lady from France, and they started. I mean, they started to become friends there. So E was the first. I mean, K wanted to remember the name of Joti in terms of numbers because he was good in math there. So he said, let me remember her name in terms of numbers, and it was 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. All the multiples of, or the first five multiples of 5 there. So E was the first alphabet. It was 5. Then they went to a cricket match where whenever the ball was hit into the air by Dhoni, it was called a six there. So she said, okay, whenever the ball is in air, six is fix. So fix, 6F6. And then when she wrote G on a paper, it was always written as G7 here. So she remembered G to be 7. So when they went to a hotel to order a hot food, she mentioned to the Japanese that she needed a hot food with a H, but the Japanese closed the top and bottom lid and said it would take 8 minutes to bring the food. And she tried to write it on a tissue paper, the alphabet I. When she wrote it in the cursive handwriting, she found it was representing a 9 there. And J was the second alphabet of Ejoti's name, 10. K again, Kings 11 Punjab. L M N 12, 13, 14, lemon juice, you can remember. Or M, when rotated clockwise direction, is 13. N follows M, is 14. O is the third alphabet of her name, Ejoti, 15. P, when you see invert it in terms of mirror, you will have a 6, so it will be 16. Q, when you write Q in the last curve would be 7, so it will be 17. R, close the bottom, becomes 18. S, close the top, it becomes 19. And T, when you see the fourth alphabet of Ejoti's name, 20. U is unity, is 21. V has two lines and two edges to it, or two ends to it, 22. W, when you rotate it anti-clockwise direction, is 23. X has two lines and four edges, 24. Y is the fifth alphabet of 25. I mean, fifth alphabet of her name, 25. So Z, we know, is 26. So right now, this is how we remember the alphabets. So now, can you write down your name in terms of numbers there, everyone? Can you write down your name in terms of numbers there? Come on, start off. You can write down your names in numbers. Okay, Pawan, write down your name in number. Harika, write down your name in number. 6G3 or 6G3. Yes, write down your name in number. 4K6, very good. Let me guess the names once you write down the numbers there. It is SRIJA, Srija, 4K6, very good. Who else do we have? You can give me the numbers. I try to guess your names there. Oh, 7. So it is GR. Oh, wait, slow. GREA. Oh, you're saying G. Okay, great. Oh, fine. All right, I have that. Okay, next I have YUVRA. Yuvraj. Oh, you have a great name, Yuvraj. That's a great name. I should have taken the name here. Kings 11 Punjab. I should have somewhere mentioned Yuvraj. Okay, fine. Then who do we have? We have CHAR. K Chakri. Maybe this is. Sorry, the alphabets, the numbers went ahead. Then who do we have? 8. 1. Harini. Okay, we have Harini here. And then who else do we have? We have Kavya. I can see your name already. Harika, I can see your name already. Vishnu, very good, Vishnu. I see your name already. Oh, M5 has a bigger name. He says THIRU. Tiru. I sorry, I missed your name. The numbers have gone ahead. And yes, 63. Okay, I can see it right now. It is VINUT. Vinutna, is it? Is it Vinutna? Yeah, it is Vinutna. Okay, fine. Then who do we have? We have BYESIR. Sorry, you wrote your number wrong. Just check that once. Okay, who else do we have? We have 688. What are the numbers we have? SNEH. Sneha, is it? Or is it Snehita? Okay, Snehita. Oh, fine, Snehit. All right, 4P8. Who do we have? We have SHRAVYA. Shravya. Very good. 4P8. That's good. That's good. Who else do we have? No. I would mention it obviously. 4K6. Don't worry on that. Don't worry. Yes, we have 703. We have 703. It's again, I guess, 7. Okay, VISH W Vishwanath. Is it Vishwanath? Yes, it's Vishwanath. Okay, great. 703. M5. I still did not guess your name. Guys, it could be better if you can give me a space, man. Like, there's no space in the alphabet. What should I consider? 602. CHARAN. Charan. 602. Very good. 5F0. What do I have? 5F0. You have CHARANI. Huh? Oh, you have Charani, right? That's good. I mean, that's the first time I heard such name. That's great. Cool, guys. How did you do it now? How do you see the numbers and alphabets? Is that good now? Did you learn something new? Was it exciting? Was it enjoying? Did you have some fun? I hope you learned something. I hope you enjoyed something there. Great. Was there a learning happening? Did you learn now? Did you learn something? Did you like it? I hope you liked it. I should try something, Nitin. Wait, I should try something. Nitin gave me something there. He said like, uh, M. Nitin, can you give me some spaces? Okay, M. Oh, is it M or what? Is it A? I should start with A or M or ACC. What should I do? If I take MCENTU, where am I? TURE. Oh, you mean to say Accenture, ACC. Oh man. Okay, got it. This is ACC. Fine. 6A2 again. It's already 3, guys, but you're still interested. ITRTIME. It's time. Oh, it's time. ITS. Okay, it's time. Yeah, it is time for us to leave. So, guys, I hope you enjoyed the session. I hope you liked it. You learned something new. If yes, you can drop some message in the chat box there. I'd love to know how did you like it. I want to know how did you like it. And yes, if you enjoyed the session, yes, you can still drop a message in the chat box there. Thank you for that. Thank you, everyone. I hope you liked it. Bye bye. Have a great day. Have a great day. Right. Thank you. You're welcome, everyone. You're welcome. Bye bye. Great day. Have a great day. Bye, all. Yes. Ah, remember the story. Remember the story. It's worth sharing. No, no, it's only up to 590. We can leave. I want to leave too. I
Recording
just stop the
stopped.
recording. Just stop the recording. Okay, then bye bye. Have a nice, great day. Whatever the time is left for you. And meet you in the next session. Nitin, how do we get the recording? I don't know. Yes, today's board was fully colorful. Maybe this is the only screen where I use the black color. I don't usually use black, but yeah, this is the only screen I used a black. But yes, okay then. Bye bye, students. I need to leave. Maybe we'll try 798. We'll definitely try it. That was great actually. We'll try the next time. Okay. Bye bye. Have a great day. I'm leaving. Yes, definitely. We can do it. If you are interested in cat and all, just let me know the next session or sometime we can have a talk on that. I love to talk on that. That's one great hell of an experience. Okay.